We're here today as part of the Australian Government's Make a Project grant initiative that supports the next generation of First Nations innovators and entrepreneurs. Young Change Agents and Empower Foundation have partnered together to work in 2 states across Australia, delivering incursion workshops, then leading to a youth incubator held at local universities. Youth are challenged to identify problems and create entrepreneurial solutions around the theme of native foods. These young people have overcome adversity and come together to create the next generation of entrepreneurial solutions relating to native food. I am blown away at their persistence, their innovation and their problem-solving skills, as well as their ability to communicate with each other and connect and share their story with others.
So the product we came up with was a food truck, but it had video games on the side. I think it's exciting because not much trucks have native food and a video game on the side. So I think it's really important because it's different and it's about native foods as well.
My business is called Deadly Education and it's to educate kids about native foods because not many people know it and it's important to learn. It's mostly aimed to high school to 18 when you can get a job or create your own business so they can help educate other kids and just keep passing it along as they get older.
We seen fish fingers and fish don't have fingers, so we're like, why not do fish legs because fish don't have legs either. A few of the products we have is fish jerky, jumping jerky, which is also known as kangaroo jerky, drumstick and noodle soup, chicken soup and Ghana fried chicken. And we also have a few of our herbs.
Bushcool is a native cordial brand where we put native ingredients in water and stuff. We use native ingredients and a little less sugar, while the others have a lot of sugar.
We've created native boba teas. We wanted to try and make them healthier, so we decided to add a bit of native food.
Native foods are important to me because they teach me about culture back then.
Native foods are important to me because it's just something different and I love inspiring people to try new foods and other stuff from the land.
I think native foods are important to me because it's something to represent people and not most people know about it, but if you do, it's like different.
This program has helped me a lot to know how to work out to make your own business and everything else.
So now I know how to get a job and what it could help me with in the future and what they went through to get to where they are and now I can get to theirs with this goal.
I like most about the program is the competition and doing and seeing everyone else's business that they've made up.
It's helped me how to learn about business and how to create one.
I've liked making the stuff and making the big poster.
We've set up some stalls and put it on display for other people to see what we've made over the past few days, and we're gonna see what people like and tell people about our business.
I'm excited about people coming to my stall and asking us some questions and us asking them questions that they might want to answer.
I'm excited about showing others about our idea.